Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I just want to tell you a bomb went off tonight in my kitchen. And if you know me at all, I love to cook, but baking is not my thing. So our creative director came over tonight and said, hey, let's make some hot cocoa bombs and let's do this fun stuff. And literally stuff was everywhere. Sugar, flour, all of the good stuff. And I didn't even know where to begin with this. So, like I said, I don't eat sweets. Give me some chips, some Doritos, and some AE dip, and I'm good. But this was craziness. And Marie is, oh, here's Marie in the house. So Marie was saying, oh, this is easy. My mom taught me how to do this over Christmas. And so I keep stirring this. Like I think it's going to do something.
It's not.
Is it?
No.
So welcome Marie, our creative director. She is in the kitchen tonight and she is going to explain a little bit about what happened and how to make, is it a hot cocoa bomb?
Yeah.
Okay, so how did you learn to make these?
Well, my mom made some before Christmas, and then she kind of taught me over Christmas, but I honestly hadn't made any until tonight, so we just went for it.
Yeah. So what did we make? We made 2 of 3 kinds of
Yeah, so far we've made red velvet, or we're making red velvet right now.
Apparently she wants to be on camera.
We made some pink hot chocolate, which is strawberry, white chocolate, hot chocolate. It's delicious. And then we'll just make some regular hot chocolate too for all of you regular lovers, which would be me.
So we are making it, so all my contribution was only embellishments. So I just made them pretty. So we're going to actually, for all of you who are alive, if you want them for Valentine's gifts, you can purchase them.
Yeah, you can just comment on this or just send us a message on the Harmony Hall Facebook page, or if you know us personally, you can message one of us.
So how much are these? Because in my opinion, they should be priceless because this was a lot.
It's a lot of work, yep. So they're going to be $4 each or 3 for $10. And when they're 3 for $10, you get 1 of each kind. So you can have a sample pack. But they're all individually packaged in these cute little packages, so you can give them as gifts. Or use them individually, whatever you choose.
Awesome. So why don't you go ahead, I'm going to step aside, and why don't you show us how you actually make those. I'm the sous chef.
Okay, so the first step is to make these shells. So we chose the red for red velvet, because it's red velvet. And the easiest thing to do for these is to get the candy melts we got them at Walmart, you can find them anywhere, but they're already colored for you, so you don't have to worry about food coloring or anything else that goes with it. You can also just use chocolate chips if you want them to be chocolate, so our regular ones will just be chocolate chip, but these all are vanilla flavoring. So on these ones we just use the pink and then the red here, and they're perfect. So we have these little silicone molds that we got off Amazon. Maybe we'll link them to you. And you kind of fill them with chocolate. So we have some that's already been chilled. So we do 2 layers. So you kind of layer the chocolate in them, stick them in the fridge for like 10 minutes, put another layer of chocolate in there. My mom taught me that trick. And
one good thing that you taught me is to use a really tiny
yeah,
spoon.
we use like a baby food spoon to kind of get in the cracks. And you can get these a little bit bigger too if you want, or this size works perfect. These are the 2-inch ones. And then you just pop them out like this, and they're all nice and shiny. So they don't always look great on the inside because you just smeared it all in there. But
can you zoom in on that, Liv? Because it really doesn't look very pretty.
But once you're done with them, they look really nice and shiny on the outside. So that is the actual coating part. And then if you're just going to do regular hot chocolate, we just bought some Swiss Miss because it's honestly the best. But you could also make your own using dried milk, which is what we did for the red velvet and the pink hot chocolate mix.
Am I doing awesome or what? I just keep bringing things over.
It's like Martha Stewart.
No, it's more like Julia Childs.
Oh.
And you know, in the 50s, here's what they used to do. I won't do it with this bag, but they used to sit down here, and they used to hand people like bowls of water and whatever. Yeah,
that would be a tough job. So then to put them together, we just use, every recipe's a little bit different, but it's about a tablespoon of the mix, whatever the mix is. So you fill up half of your little ball with it. After you've kind of melted the sides using a skillet, and then for the other half, you want to put them on a skillet, melt them up a little bit, and then you'll just stick them together like so. And when they're nice and melted, these ones aren't melted, but when they're nice and melted, they will go together smoothly. And then on top, we just got some drizzle. We melted a little bit. This one already got hard. You have to kind of quick.
I was stirring it.
I think that kind of.
Let me heat it up.
Yeah, heat it up real quick. We'll do the drizzle. So you kind of have to work quick because the candy melts hard and fast, which is something that's really good about them, but also kind of takes a while. Yeah, 30 seconds is good. So for our pink hot chocolate is strawberry flavored. It's really good. We tried all of them and they're all delicious. So I think the kids would really like the strawberry ones. It has strawberry Nesquik in it, so it tastes a little like a little strawberry milky, but it's delicious. And then we put some fun sprinkles.
Look at me trying that. You can fill it up and see if it works.
Okay, perfect. We'll go ahead and do this one.
I act like I know what I'm doing.
We add marshmallows in there. I don't know where our marshmallows are right now, but we put marshmallows in there too.
Oh, well, I was worried about the mess, so I cleaned them up.
So then, see, these are nice and melty. You just put them together.
There you go, right here. Marshmallows.
Yeah, we put some marshmallows in there for you guys. And then for your drizzle, you can kind of do this one of two ways. If you're just gonna do a couple of them, the easiest way is just to use your spoon and to just like
for a drizzle,
to just drizzle it on top like that.
Oh gosh, you make that look like
and then,
you're a chef.
Or you could also do it. You could also put it in a bag, kind of like you do icing. Oh, that one wasn't very good. It has a big glob. But then we love sprinkles and making things look pretty around here. So you just add some sprinkles on top, and then you're good. And Angela made them all look all pretty in little packages with little gift tags. You can write names on them.
Right.
Perfect Valentine's Day treats.
So they can actually comment now if they want to pre-order.
Yeah. So either you can buy them individually, so they're $4 a piece, or 3 for $10. And you can do all sorts of like mixing and matching. The 3 for $10 are just going to be like a sample pack. So $10 for a sample pack, one of each flavor. But if you would like a large order, we could do that, or just a couple to try out for fun. And so for each of these, you'll put them in your mug. You'll add a cup of scalding hot milk, like almost boiling. You'll pour it over your hot cocoa bomb, and then it melts it, and the magic happens.
And it's so pretty.
Especially the pink. We love the pink because it's.
I love the pink, but I like strawberry. So, any questions from our friends that are live? Olivia, we didn't even mention that our social stylist is here with us tonight.
I am.
Behind the camera.
Behind the scenes.
I'm letting them know the flavors.
Oh, perfect.
Oh yeah.
We're also rocking all sorts of local apparel today. Yes. So my sweatshirt is from the Dirt Road Candle Company, and she has awesome candles. If you haven't bought any of her candles, you need to. She sells them at Hazel, May, and Adele, but also online, and she has some new Valentine scents coming out. So perfect.
And we're hoping that she comes to Farmers Market.
We're hoping, yes. And so this sweatshirt is adorable, and I love it, and it's so cozy. And then I'm sporting, Angela is sporting some Teal Tatty macrame, one of our local favorites. Earrings. She does all sorts of earrings, wall hangings, anything. She's magic. Anything you want, she can make macrame. I'm sporting some of my own earrings, Wildflower Clay Designs. So nice clay earrings. If you want any of those, head over.
Craig has a question. Craig Crossland asked if you can put bourbon in them.
Yes, we can make bourbon balls for you, Craig Crossland. We promise.
I don't know how bourbon and chocolate taste together, but
it's worth
a shot. Have you not wondered what this is all about?
Oh yeah, we have this can here. I don't know if we don't just have cans laying around usually. Because Angela's all about the cleanliness and not making things messy.
Yeah, and so the next time that we make all of these fun balls, I am leaving. I'm leaving, and Marie can make a mess of my kitchen.
I'm a messy cook, but I clean up after myself.
Oh yeah, you're always clean after.
Yeah,
I just can't
it's just the
handle
process.
it. It gives me anxiety. So I am making chili. And this is why we're talking local, right? So I had to bring it up, and we're gonna have to go through this. So back here is my famous chili, but I've been mixing it up, and we are using Bear Bison. And so if you have never had their bison, I think they're in their actual address is Van Meter, but they sell in many places. And their bison's beef sticks are amazing. But so I was making this chili, and all of a sudden I was like, oh my gosh, we have this can that has like a rim on it that could be used for a gift. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. Oh.
And if you're wondering what the heck is about to happen, so was I.
Yeah,
so
but
just hang tight.
now anybody that hates mushrooms in their chili is going to get a third dose of mushrooms in their chili because I don't know what to do with it. And I promise you that we're not going to sell this one because I don't. Ooh, look at that! Boom! All right, so I have a Pampered Chef. What do you call it?
Can opener.
Yeah. See, I don't even know. And it makes it so it won't cut you. And so I'm going to drain the mushrooms, throw them in the chili. It's finally getting really nice and hot.
Craig Crossland said Angela's chili is world famous.
It is very good.
Well, Craig Crosland, then get your booty on over here. And, oh, so here, see, now we have friends coming over.
Have you guys seen my horse?
Oh my gosh.
They've been plotting this for probably at least 15 minutes. Eric had to get all the details right. Dave had to make sure his hair looks good.
Now Craig Crosland's coming over for bourbon balls, apparently. So let's just pretend, oh here, we'll just use one of these. We'll just use this one, right?
Yeah, use that one. Oh,
Yeah,
it's a little melty.
It's still wet. So let's just say this was all pretty in a package, and we stick it in there, and we use this glue. And we just, now mind you, we would make this beautiful, right? You just put it around the rim of that. This will glue shut. It will be awesome. And then, once in a lifetime, I get the label to actually come off of the thing. So then you just, I'm not even gonna go through all of this, but you put, oh shoot, see? Our ball's gonna explode. So then you just use hot glue or tape and glue a little piece of scrapbook paper around it. I'll let you glue while I do this. And then I just happen to have a couple of 2-inch die cuts that I cut out on my Cricut. And what I would normally do, you just, all you're doing is gluing it in, but you would glue it underneath, cut out a little tab, and then decorate your tab just like these, and boom diggity. So if you want to do a exploding bomb, we could do those too, I suppose, but I'm going to have to make a lot of chili.
Yeah, we need a lot of mushrooms.
I'm going to have to like sell it in the neighborhood or something.
Chili.
Like, can somebody buy some chili so I can make some more hot cocoa bombs? But they're a great gift. We did this at a gift wrapping workshop, and I did them for teachers. And you know what? For all of you watching Marie, who are one of your students, she would love one of those with a lot of gift cards. Look at that! How
I like Starbucks. Any
She likes
Target, love Target.
$100 Visa gift cards.
Yeah,
It's
cash.
awesome.
Let's have to cash.
Cash is great. But anyway, that's another fun way to, if you just bought one of those, you could make those yourself, and they're quick and easy.
So cute.
Any other questions? Does Craig have any more questions, or is he in the garage with the guys now drinking beer?
Craig just said he's buying.
Oh, perfect.
Awesome. All right, so anything else that we need to let them know? Probably we need to let them know that COVID's kind of kicking our butts, but we have a lot of really cool things in the
in the future.
And we have decided that everything that we do will all, no matter what we do, from Marie's and I's perspective, will be all online. And then if we can go live and do a workshop, but we have a couple of workshops coming up. We have a 7-part journaling workshop, which is really cool. I've been thrifting for this stuff, girls.
Yeah, and Angela, she's been working so hard on it, and it is awesome. I got to see a sneak peek. It's so fun.
Peek. And then we are also offering a Be Your Selfie Girls collective, so they can join a club and do, whether they're here in Iowa or wherever they're at, they can do workshops with us either online or live. But we have some really fun things planned, so yeah.
And if there's anything that you would like to see from us, just let us know. Literally anything. We're kind of all over the place. So home decor, themed stuff, parties, whatever. Just let us know.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us tonight, and we really appreciate your support as 2 women in business. Oh my gosh. Or 3.
3.
Women in business. We really appreciate all of your support, and let us know. We're here for you. Thank you. Take care. You are freaking crazy.